Hi, today I will show you how you can add smart lights on your Oval AI hub. Before we begin, make sure your smart light is already configured and connected to the same network as Oval AI hub to its native app, such as the TP-Link, Wiz, or LifeX app. Once it's on the network, Oval can discover and control it seamlessly. Before we go towards the device, first you have to create a room. Tap on the plus button. I want to create a guest room. Tapping on the guest room and save. The guest room is created successfully. Then we'll go to the device. I want to add a new device. I will tap on the plus button. You can see TP-Link. I want to add TP-Link Lite. Name the device. Then select the room. I want to add this in the guest room. And you can see the host IP is fetched automatically. Tap on the Add button. A success message shows that the TP-Link Lite is added. Tap on TP-Link Lite. Here you can see light control screen. From here you can control the light. Turn it on. Control the brightness. And you can also change the light color, as this only supports warm white and pure white color. This is the warm white. This one is for the pure white. You can also rename the light from here. TP-Link Light. You can also move the light to another room. And you can also delete the light from here. Thank you.